Yeah, in my presentation, I want to quickly talk about how we did discovery in these B2B processes, these B2B industries, specifically in these oily finger, busy hands, offline first, as the background image also says. I will firstly touch upon some of the key challenges, including complicated buying processes in B2B, or how to reach out to these non-digital users, or how to deal with scenarios where the usage of the system is actually rather infrequent, at least in some cases. For that, I will show how we solved these issues and addressed these issues, including implementing a very strong UX research, talking to customers very, very frequently, how we co-develop with customers in so-called customer advisory board. But still, we aren't there yet. Yeah, there are still some challenges, including things like how to implement a great product trio when well there is some kind of pushback from the engineering team.